today is Saturday and it means that traditionally we are here to dance with you. I'm Delora and we start to learn new oriented movement. And today it will be two types of wave. It will be camel, Egyptian traditional wave, and the modern wave, the big one. And we will start with you with the modern wave. As usually when I work with my students, I don't know why for the beginners it's a very complicated movement because they cannot catch the algorithm of the movement. So I will try to explain you very clear now. If you cannot do it, you will be able to do. If you are a teacher, you will know how to explain to your beginner students. And if you are not a teacher, not a beginner, just check your knowledge. Let's go. So we imagine we have a plate here to catch something. And we imagine the water in front of us. We need to catch water. We put it and we go. We take the water, we take it up. On our body, it goes down, and we let it to go out. One more time. Take the water, up. On you, it goes, out. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention that it's necessary to work with this area. Your belly should really work in this movement. Because if you will miss it, if you will do just the chest and just the hips, your wave will be not so soft and it will be not so interesting as it can be. And it will be hard for you to do big amplitude. So here we go, one more time. We take and we go down, out, down, and you start to work with your arms. You just move with your body and pay attention. Here is a small secret. Like when you do wave, you can help yourself with the leg. It will help you to move your hips more. Okay? Big wave. Big. And you see here we use the chest a lot. Now we will discover with you a second type of the wave. It's the camel. It's the Egyptian traditional wave. And what's going on here? We will not use the chest. The difference is that this wave we do only from the belly. The logic is same, but we fix our chest and we start the movement from this area, not from the chest. Let's go. 1, 2. Belly, hips. Belly, hips. Let's go. Let's go. Great, so you see the difference? In the big wave, you move with your chest. In the camel, we move only from the belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more time, here is the difference. Big wave, camel. Big wave, camel. Big camel, big camel. Great, and one more thing, that why we call this movement a camel, it's not because it looks like a camel, it's because when you will ride this animal, you are sitting on the top, your body will make a move like this. Sitting on the camel, you will make a camel movement. So I wish it was useful and see you next Saturday.